Hello everyone, my name is Danish. I had recently cleared the NDA SSB in 2020 and got All India rank 378 out of 662. I have appeared for the NDA exam two times. I was not able to clear the first one, but at the second time I was able to clear the NDA exam as well as the SSB. I completed my class 12th in April 2019, and at the same time I came to INDUS Rangers for getting a good guidance for completing and for getting recommended in the NDA exam. In the April 2019 attempt, I was not able to qualify because my arts was not so good. But in my November 2019 attempt, I cleared the exam, and then in the March 2020 I was recommended from 3FSB Gandhinagar, and after that I cleared my CPSS from 4FSB Varanasi, and then I also was recommended for medical in July 2020, and then on 14 September I got the merit list of 378 position All India rank. So now today I am here to give some basic topics and basic idea how to clear NDA exam. So the NDA exam basically consists of two subjects, that is the mathematics and general ability test. The mathematics is the most important topics for clearing the mathematics. I am going to give you. There are four most important topics, that is the trigonometry, statistics, probability and the calculus. And for the general ability test, the most important topics for clearing the GAT subject is English and the PCB, that is the physics, chemistry and biology. I guarantee you, if you cover all these subjects and all these topics, you definitely will clear the NDA exam. So I cleared the NDA exam on these topics and tips and tricks, and the INDUS Rangers coaching gave me a very good opportunity and a very good platform to perform well and to take my inner abilities out. I would especially like to thank Pandey sir. He has given a very good support for my English subject, and I would also like to thank Neeraj sir, because he had helped me a lot in maths and the physics subject. Now talking about the SSB. SSB is a test of personality. So in 5 days of interview, the interviewer, the psychologist and the GTO would observe you on each and every aspect, and he will get A to Z of yours everything. So I would like to give some based on my personal experience, I would like to give some basic things that are most required in the SSB. There are three major things. The first thing is the human understanding nature. The second thing is your calmness, and the third thing is your confidence. If you cover all three aspects of your personality, you will definitely cover the SSB. Now there are three parts of SSB, that is the psychology, the GTO and the personal interview. For the psychology, I would like to the INDUS Rangers have given a very good opportunity to take out. There are regular classes of TAT, VAT, SRT and SD. So I was able to clear everything. I have practiced many pictures beforehand, and also we have done very good mock interviews in the INDUS Rangers. So I was able to cover the personal interview. And for the GTO, we have performed many, there are many things, structures present in the coaching itself. So we are able to perform the PGT, HGT and the CT structures. We have also done a very good discussions and lecturate in the coaching itself. So so I guarantee you that if you cover all these topics, you will definitely cover the SSB also. And then I would also like to recommend that apart from your studies, you would also focus on your physical fitness. Like I was a defense aspirant, but I was apart from my studies, I was also used to wake up daily at 5 o'clock and used to jog 4 kilometers daily, and used to do jogging, and then after exercises, stretching, etc. And then I would also like to play a game like basketball and football. So every defense aspirant must play some game. So I have appeared for NDA exam in November 2019, and meanwhile I also gave the Air Force X group and I was able to clear it. But my main focus was on NDA. So I cleared the NDA and then I am before you. I would especially like to thank Mr. Sachin sir, Mr. Saurabh sir and Mr. Shakir sir, who have given me a very good opportunity to take up my inner qualities and abilities, and the Indus Rangers had provided a very good platform. Thank you very much.